Here's our little basket. Let's get out a few more baskets, then we'll start stacking. These. Here's a pink basket. Here's our little blind bags. We'll open this one. Okay. Take all this out here. Take these out. All right, here is this basket now with a who do we have? This one we have.
Naku chocolate की बोतल जानी है अब
natin dito sa may tourist. Yung sa labas ng Camellia North Point. Dito tayo sa building number 4, 12th floor. Gandang building number 1. Ito yung building number 2 naman. Yan po yung may nakapark na red car. Ito yung building number 3, yung may tapat ng may white car. At dito tayo sa building number 4. At po may swimming pool sa baba.